Okay, so this was totally unexpected. You guys know, right, how much I love RGB. Anything I buy related to computers, it definitely has to have RGB. We've seen RGB peripherals, RGB storage drives, RGB LED strips, but this one over here is something very awesome from Aputure. This is a super compact multicolor RGB LED light from the brand. So as soon as I heard about that, I was quite excited. I wanted to get that light and make a video for you guys. So the Aputure's multicolor light comes in this sort of box packing. We've got a picture of the product on the front, and the model of the light is MC. MC stands for multicolor and says any color at any time. That's it, there's nothing much written here. Going to the bottom, we've got some of its highlights. Let me show you. The MC Light offers expanded CCT control, has excellent color quality with CRA and TLCI scores of above 96, has full HSI control, supports app control as well, has USB Type-C PD as well as wireless charging support. Those are some really good features, can't wait to unbox and check it out. Alright then, let me grab my knife and tear this seal on the box. And that's done, let's open the box and finally check out the product. So here it is, our brand new Aputure MC LED light. Oh god, this is so compact! Awesome, the light looks very sleek and portable. You've got the Aputure branding everywhere and feels very lightweight in the hand. We'll just check it out in a moment. First, let me also show you all the accessories we get in the box. So on the inside, we've got a small carry bag for the light. Yeah, that's nice, actually looks cute, has the Aputure branding over here and like the red and black color theme. And finally, you get a user manual. Just make sure to read that for all the info on the product. So that's it, these are all the items you got in the package. But before we check out the light, let's see what else do we get in this carry bag. I have to mention the quality of this bag looks good. Love the red and black color. And even has a hook over here so you can carry it around your belt. And on the inside looks like we've got some accessories. Let me show you. There's a USB Type-C cable for charging the LED light, 2 magic tapes, and a silicone light diffuser. You just need to snap it on top of the light and you're good to go. That's it, these were all the accessories. Now let's finally check out the light. So this is Aputure's brand new MC Light. It's an RGB WW LED light that offers full CCT as well as HSI control. We've got a light diffuser on the front and looks like it's non-removable. Going to the top, we've got the Aputure branding and an Oled display beside that. Talking about the build quality is very good. It's got a beautiful chamfered edge in metallic red all around it, and the body is a mix between metal and plastic. The back panel is made of plastic. We've got the Aputure logo here, says MC, supports wireless charging, and even has magnets built in the body. So yes, you can directly attach this to any metal surface. Very convenient, right? On the bottom, you've got a 1/4" thread, some cutouts to let the heat escape, and a big vent on the left. Going to the other side, we've got some controls here. Let me show you. There's a control wheel to navigate through the menu and adjust all the values, a power on a slide switch, and a USB Type-C port for charging the light. That's it, these were all the available controls and ports. I have to say this thing is quite lightweight and portable. It weighs only around 130 grams and is slightly bigger than a credit card. Whoa, that is quite bright. Nice! So what I'll do now is I'll give you all a closer look at the OLED display and show you all the available lighting modes and features. Alright guys, so I'm back to continue the video. So till now we've talked about the design and the build quality of Aputure's brand new MC LED light. So as I've told you earlier, this is an RGB WW light. So that means along with producing RGB light, it's also capable of producing white light, and the color temperature is also fully controllable. So we'll talk about that once we get started with the video. Alright then, so let me just power it on and quickly show you all the different modes available on it and all the different color temperatures and different features available on this light. So let's get started. To power it on, all you need to do is just slide this switch over here, and there you go, our brand new MC light is on, and this is how it looks like. So as soon as you power it on, by default this thing is in the Cct mode. Cct means correlated color temperature mode, guys. That means this is just your regular white light mode, and also in this mode, as I've told you, the color temperature is fully controllable, and yes, you can also set to daylight. Right now it's set to daylight only. And this is how the OLED display on the light looks like. Let me show you. Beautiful display, right? It's very crisp, bright, and easily readable. Very sharp display. As you can see, the current color temperature is 5600 kelvins, which is nearly daylight, guys. and this percentage over here indicates the brightness, and beside that it also shows you the Bluetooth as well as the battery life of the LED light. And if you want to change these numbers or want to change the mode of the light, you can do that using this control wheel on the right side. So let me show you. We are going to use this toy as our subject, so you can see the difference when the light changes. Alright, so using this control wheel, I'm going to first change the color temperature. Right now it's 5600, and moving up we are going to 6500 Kelvin. First let me change the brightness intensity so you can clearly see the difference. Yeah, now we are talking. Let's put it to 60. 60 is better. 60 is better, I guess. Yeah. Now we are slowly going to the other side, which is warm white. The lowest is 3200 Kelvin. So this is how warm light looks like. Pretty nice. Very nice. And one more thing I've observed is if you move this control wheel slowly, the number changes slowly, like in steps of 100, and if you go fast, the number changes quickly. So they've given that control as well, which is pretty good. So yeah, this is your regular Cct mode, guys, where you can control the white light and set it to whichever color temperature you want. Nice, right? I'm gonna leave it at 5600, which is daylight. Okay, so that was our first mode, and if you want to change or go to the next mode, you just need to press this control wheel at the center, and that will give you access to all the different modes present on this light. By default it's in CCT. Going next, we've got, what do we have over here? This is HSI, guys. HSI means the RGB mode. H stands for hue, saturation and intensity. Let's just click on that. There you go. This is our new RGB light from Aputure, the MC. Wow, this thing looks very nice. Just look at that red color. Nice. The best part is you can fully adjust the hue, saturation as well as the intensity of the LED lights. That is so cool, right? Let me show you. You can adjust the hue from 0 to 360 degrees. So let me show you what happens when you do that. Let's use this subject over here. It's right now at 360, which is full red, I guess. Yep. Okay, it's slowly changing from red to yellow. Now it's orange, going to green, full green, blue, dark blue, purple, and back to red. Wow, that is so cool, guys. Let me show you. Look at my hand. You can set this light to whichever color possible, guys. That is awesome, right? Any color you want, you can set that on this light. That is so cool. Okay, so that was about hue. By clicking this control wheel, you can go to the saturation. Saturation means the intensity of the color, guys. Let me just show you what happens. It's right now at 100% saturation level, and if you decrease the saturation, you'll see that the color goes and becomes white. So like this, you can adjust the intensity of the color as well. Pretty great. It's full right now. And by going to next one, this is the intensity, guys. So intensity means, I'd say, the brightness of the RGB light. So let me show you. You can reduce the brightness completely or even increase it to the max level. Awesome, right? So in this HSI mode, you can control the hue. Hue means the color. Then we've got saturation, that means the intensity of the color, and finally the brightness of the LED light. Awesome. I really like this red color. So using this mode, you can do some creative effects, guys. If you're a cinematographer or a filmmaker, this thing is going to be like super helpful in your videos. So that was about the HSI mode. Let's check out the other modes as well. Along with HSI, what else do we have? We've got a special effects mode, guys. The light comes with lighting effects as just like the other Lightstorm series from Aputure. It's got 9 built-in lighting effects. Let me show you. So this one is called fire. Pretty good. Okay, let's check out the next one. Oh, this is called the cop. What is this? Cop car. Nice. Cops have these sort of lights at the top, right? gives the same effect as that. Pretty cool. And what is this? This is called pulsing. Nice. And this one is called party. Now this one is a pretty good effect because it cycles through all the RGB lighting effects. You can call it color cycle as well. And this is lightning, just like a lightning bolt. Pretty good. A nice effect. And then we've got TV. When you're watching those old CRT TVs, you get these sort of effects. And what is this? This one is called fault bulb. Yeah, I like this effect as well. And we're back to the first one, which is fireworks. That's it. So these are all the 9 lighting effects present on this LED light. Pretty cool, right? To go back, you just need to press this button and we're into the mode. Next we have Bluetooth control. So as I've told you earlier, you can even control this LED light wirelessly by installing an app on your phone. You just need to connect your phone via Bluetooth, and then you can fully control this LED light. And not only one LED light, you can control up to 100 LED lights, Aputure MC lights at a time. That is very cool. And that's it, guys. These were all the different modes available on this light. Okay, so what I'll do is now I'll talk about the color quality and different applications that you can get using this LED light. So talking about the performance and the quality of the light, the Aputure MC is an amazing light, and the provided diffuser was also doing a good job. It was diffusing the light uniformly and was producing soft and beautiful lighting. Talking about the quality, the MC has stellar color quality, has CRI and TLCI ratings of 96 plus, and was giving excellent skin tones in the videos. It's also quite bright and capable of producing up to 1100 lux at 0.3 meters. Now that is what I'm talking about. Also, I really love the way how you can quickly adjust the color temperature and go from warm to cool white depending on the scenario. Not only in the Cct mode, even in the RGB mode, it was producing beautiful colors with great color quality. Just check out this clip. Talking about the applications, you can use MC in a variety of situations. It all depends on your creativity. It can be a great light for vlogging as both the color temperature as well as the brightness are adjustable. You can get some amazing videos no matter during daytime or even nighttime. Or you can use the MC to give some dramatic and creative lighting in your videos just like this. As I've told you just now, the applications are endless and it all depends on your creativity. Now let's talk about the battery life. This LED light has a built-in 2600 mAh lithium polymer battery, and the battery life was decent. When you use a light at maximum brightness, you'll get around like 2 to 3 hours of continuous working time. But when you use it at 60% brightness, you'll easily get around like 7 to 8 hours of battery life. Well, that was my review on the Aputure's new MC RGB WW LED light. It's an awesome light and I feel it's one of the best all-in-one compact LED light you can get in the market. It can produce RGB colors as well as warm white to cool white, has built-in lighting effects, it's quite bright, offers great control, it's magnetic, and can also be controlled wirelessly via Bluetooth. The MC costs only $90, which is around 6,400 rupees in India. And not only this, it also comes in a 4 and 12 light kit variant in a hardshell wireless charging case, made specially for filmmakers and ultimate production workflow. The kits cost around $500 and $1,500 respectively. I'll just leave links to all of them in the description box below. You can check it out there. So that was it for today. Hope you all enjoyed it and got to learn something new. Make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more new awesome videos. And I'll see you in the next one.